Okay, there are two aspects of taxation. If you try to go back to our yung aspects, 'di ba? Ang makalagay doon is tatlo. Like una is yung levying aspects of taxation. Then second is ba makita mo mayroong assessment. Tatlo, then collection. So, itong dalawa, ito yung second, administration, and this one is ito yung exercise of power, of tax power. Okay. Balik tayo sa multiple choice. So, sabi dito, the power of taxation involves two distinct aspects. First being enactment, yun yung exercise of power. Then, second is yung administration. So, among the choices, kung titingnan mo, yung letter D, ito lang yung mayroong enforcement administration. Itong judicial review is not part of the aspect of taxation. Okay. Itong fiscal advocacy is not part. This is a sound tax system. And the levy, yun yung first part. Ito yung first part. And this is the second, yung levy. So, hindi ito yung second. So, ito yung second enforcement administration. Ito ay ginagawa lamang ng BIR under the Finance Department. Tandaan natin ha, ang BIR ay under po sa Finance Department. So, ito yung involving assessment at saka yung collection.